A Traybake with such a beautiful color that you will want to make it more often. This casserole with purple carrots and romanesco is easy to make and only requires a few ingredients. We used purple carrots, potatoes, romanesco, chili butter and chicken. You can also leave out the chicken. The Traybake was baked in the oven for 30 minutes at 220 C. This Traybake is pretty easy to make. Start by sprinkling the chicken with some chicken spices. Clean the potatoes and cook them until they are half done. That's about 8 minutes. Wash and peel the carrots and cut into slices with a thickness of 1 centimeter. Pull the florets from the romanesco, peel the stalk and cut into pieces. Heat chili butter in a pan until it has melted. Drain the potatoes and layer up your Traybake. Let me tell you in between that I appreciate you watching. I hope you find my videos interesting. May I ask you to like this video if you find the content interesting? And of course, I am happy to have you as a subscriber. My content is free, and with your help, it will stay that way. Thanks in advance. You can vary this Traybake nicely. Nothing's too crazy. Eat them.